Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the VPN account and subscription so you won't lose access when switching. Once done, export or backup any existing profiles because you may need them later. Next, open your device's network settings or the VPN application. This is where you will remove or modify connections. You do this now to avoid mid-process lockouts and to ensure you can restore the previous setup quickly if something goes wrong. You now install or update the new VPN client and import any provided config files, because proper import prevents manual errors. Then, enter your username and password and choose a protocol. Pick WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN/IKEV2 for compatibility, and select an appropriate server location to optimize latency. Make sure to enable the kill switch and auto-connect options, and configure DNS or split tunnel rules, so applications use the VPN only when you want them. You finish by testing connectivity. Check your public IP and DNS to confirm traffic routes through the new VPN, because verification prevents leaks. Once confirmed, restart the device and test key applications, making sure AutoConnect behaves as expected. If something fails, try switching protocol, re-importing the configuration, or clearing cached credentials. Those steps often fix handshake or routing problems quickly. If none work, contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.